Need to know how much house you can actually afford? Let me show you how to find out in under a minute. Head over to the How Much House Can I Afford calculator at foundthetool.com. It uses the 2836 rule, a trusted guideline lenders actually use. Start with your annual gross income. Let's say you earn $95,000 a year. Next, enter your monthly debts. Things like car payments or student loans. We'll put in $350. Now add your down payment. We'll enter $50,000 saved up. Enter an interest rate. Let's use 6.75% and keep the loan term at 30 years. You can also adjust the property tax rate and annual insurance to match your area. We'll leave those at their defaults for now. And there's your answer. You can see your estimated maximum home price right here at the top of the results card. Scroll down and the breakdown section shows exactly how that number was calculated, including your maximum monthly payment and how your debt limits factor in. You can even copy or share your result with a single click, handy when you're comparing options with a partner or your real estate agent. Give the How Much House Can I Afford calculator a try at foundthetool.com. The link is in the description below.